If there's one thing we've learned in recent times, it's that we simply cannot predict what life is going to throw at us. From wild weather events to a worldwide pandemic, it's becoming abundantly clear that we should all try to be a little more self-sufficient these days. That's why we've rounded up some of the best survival kits and go bags to help you prepare for all the things you can't predict. Now, let's have a look at the top 3 survival kits of 2022. Number 1. KOSIN Survival Kit, best for fishing. KOSIN is not just a first aid kit, it's a complete survival kit. With over 70 medical supplies, 10 fishing tools, and mole straps, KOSIN is every fisherman's favorite travel companion. The bag is from a solid 600D nylon fabric with a drain hole for easy drainage of water. Although the bag doesn't feature extra pockets, you'll be happy with the mole system. It's a modular carrying system that lets you attach pouches and pockets to your bag. When you open the bag, you'll find several useful tools crucial for survival. There's the multifunction saber card that works pretty much like an advanced Swiss Army knife. It replaces pliers, files, screwdrivers, can and bottle openers, and small knives in your bag. Another useful piece of equipment is the military knife. With a serrated edge, a sharp blade, and a complementary bottle opener, this knife is a 5-in-1 cutting solution. Use it for cutting through meat, vegetables, wood, and as a self-defense tool. And that's not all. There's another unique instrument inside aside from the medical supplies, and that's the tactical pin. Yes, a tactical pin. On an average day, it's just your ordinary pin. But flip it around and there's a tungsten tip for self-defense and smashing glass. Now that's what we call unique. Number 2. Eiliks Survival Gear Kit, best for hikers. Another tactical tool bag, this one without medical supplies. The Eiliks Survival Kit is the best gift for your hiker friends and family. It's packed with 24 pieces of survival equipment. These include a survival knife, paracord bracelets, water bottle carabiner, and even a spoon-fork combo. Starting with the knife, it's a military-grade multifunction knife with a sharp edge. It doesn't have a serrated edge, but the knife handle can be detached and used to smash windows and glass. The handle also features a handy bottle opener. And that's not all. The Eiliks Survival Kit comes with a fire starter. As the name suggests, it helps start fires quicker. But you can also use it as a bottle opener, ruler, and whistle. Moving on to the multifunctional fork, it has a spoon on one end and a fork on the other. But it's a lot more complicated than that. It also features a wrench, hanging hole, fish scaler, harpoon, and bottle opener. The bag also comes with a special wire saw for cutting through branches and tree trunks. And for hanging your tools from your tent, you're given a few climbing hooks. Plus, there's the survival bracelet with a compass, a whistle, a scraper, and a few flintstones. It's a general-purpose bracelet that lets you carry your equipment with you on short morning treks. Number 3. Everlit 42L Tactical Backpack Survival Kit, best overall. A true tactical survival kit caters to extreme emergencies. It has a total capacity of 42 liters and comes with its very own hydration bladder. In this way, you never run out of water. To be more specific, the hydration bladder features a large 4.25-inch screw cap opening with anti-dust covers on the drinking tube. Bladders like this are primarily used to drink water even when running or walking. You don't even need to pull it out of the bag. For people who prefer hiking and hunting outdoors in the sand, the Everlit backpack comes with a tactical folding shovel. This shovel is of carbon steel, so it's light on the shoulders and the back. The partially serrated edge on the side of the shovel helps in cutting through stems and roots in the ground. And when the head is folded, the back forms a pickaxe for cutting through rocks and hard ground. But there's more where that came from. For example, the Everlit comes with a multi-purpose saber card that can cut things and turn screws. And the manufacturers also added a wire saw for easy cutting and shearing. You also get multi-purpose pliers for almost every application, and to keep you warm in the winter, the tactical backpack also contains a thermal blanket. So that's it for the top 3 survival kits of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to all the notifications about our latest videos.